Hey guys, I'm Andy. I was just in Hawaii for a week and a half, and here's my best attempt to do each day in 1 minute. Alrighty, first day we start off at Kona Direct Coffee Farm. My sister used to work here, and she gives us a sweet tour of the entire farm, tells us how coffee is made from beginning to end. I put up a longer video kind of explaining all of that. And then Paige gets to make her own. So what are you doing, Paige? Coffee.
I'm grabbing coffee.
Why? Or roast her own coffee. From beginning green beans out to roasted beans. I get to try it.
Kona Farm Direct. That is so good.
Fantastic coffee. Then we spent our evening for sunset at a beach. I don't remember what the name of it is, but it was absolutely beautiful. And Kua Bay. Kua Bay is this beach. It was gorgeous. Day 2, we go to Pololu Valley. And it's... so here, there was a slight haze over everything. So it was really hard to get the lighting right with the drone. So I apologize for any weird lighting, but I do my best to compensate for it. We had to hike down into this valley where I got those shots. Then we hiked up the next side, and this is where we get the next shots with the drone. But oh my gosh, what a beautiful, beautiful hike! This is on the northern side of the Big Island, up in Waimea, I think is what it's close to, up above Kona on the northwest side of the island. And it looks like freaking Jurassic Park. Here we were just kind of seeing how far back I could go. Because of time, I cut it a little bit short. There's a little bit more lighting issues, but just gorgeous. It was so much fun to take the drone out here. It performed incredibly well. Until I crashed it on the 4th or 5th day. And that's when the drone footage will end. Just absolutely gorgeous. Day 2, I end up making a little bit longer than normal. Here, my sister challenged me to keeping up with her while she ran through the forest. Wanted to test my piloting abilities. Got some sick shots going through these trees. You can tell here every now and then the obstacle avoidance kicks in, which only goes to the front and back, or front and up, front and below. There we go. Here, we wanted to do my first open water test, so we decided to fly it 2.5 miles out to this island. The camera couldn't handle the wind sometimes in sport mode to get out there, but fantastic. Absolute paradise. And we ended this. I still had like a little over 50% battery. We saw this waterfall on the way back, so decided to check it out. Because why else would you have a drone? Day 3, we go swimming with dolphins and other sea creatures. I'm going to do a kind of National Geographic-esque video more about this. This is just kind of a teaser. We had the drone out. Again, absolutely crazy getting out there with that thing. These were spinner dolphins. And here, I'll just let you listen, watch my sister become a mermaid, and I'll see you in the next video.